Hello guys and welcome back. Today we have this padlock from Guard, which I think is a copy of the Chinese tri-circle. You can see the similarities with the keys, they're almost exactly the same. And the keyways, yeah, they are the same as well. So I believe that it's just a copy, or it's tri-circle beneath here somewhere. Anyway, cheap Chinese padlock, definitely shimmable. I don't have any shims yet to test this. It says here nice and hardened shackle. I can tell you it's not hardened. Not such a big surprise. Sometimes they chrome the hardened shackle, but this is definitely a soft shackle. So the bidding, not so extreme on this one. It's low, high, medium, so it's a bit of a challenge. No security pins in this one, it's all standard pins, so you gotta watch out for oversetting, which is my Achilles heel for the moment. Let's put it in the device and pick it open. So all is set up, time to pick. And by the way, I'm using my top of keyway tension wrench, is just like the Peterson pry bar, made it myself, and my trusty thin hook. So apply some torque and apply some picking. So we got a bind on first, second springy, third one. Oh, first one dropped. I have him in my sight, so I see it when it drops. Dropped again, so okay. Leaving on the edge with pin 1. Number 2 is a high one, so I think I set both of 1 and 2 at the same time now. Moving on to third. Going deep, looking for next. And there we go. So that's standard pin picking for you in a nutshell. Open. So Guard Padlock, Chinese made, probably tri-circle copy as said before. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more videos. Thank you.